We have more breaking news tonight about the impact of a sewer line break that triggered a public health advisory in Macomb County. Crews have been trying to prevent raw sewage from getting into the Clinton River. In the meantime, people are advised to avoid contact with the middle branch of the river. The line broke near Hayes and 25 Mile in Macomb Township, but it services people in Washington Township. 7 News Detroit reporter Brett Cast is out at the scene with the impact and the timeline for a fix. Brett?
Well, it was actually late Tuesday night that Washington Township discovered this sewage leak, but it wasn't until earlier this afternoon they realized how bad the damage really was. A continuous sound running through the night along Hayes Road between 25 and 26 Mile. The road is closed as crews in these pumps are working around the clock, pumping thousands of gallons of raw sewage after a leak was discovered roughly 24 hours earlier.
As we dug down, we noticed it's a larger break.
Washington Township Supervisor Sam Prevetti says the more than 45-year-old pipe in Macomb Township carries all the sewage for Washington Township. It's estimated about 21,000 gallons run through it every hour, and now there's concern about those gallons leaking into the nearby Clinton River.
Our big concern was obviously the overflowage of sewage to make sure it doesn't go into the Clinton River or the soccer field nearby.
That's why the pumps are running constantly, filling up these massive tanks to then be carried past the break and pumped back into the system. Prevetti believes 500,000 gallons have gone through the pipe since the break, but he believes their crews have kept most of it out of the river.
Currently, we're afraid that there may be a possibility of seepage into the river, so we did take water samples. We'll know that first thing in the morning.
As they wait on those results, the Macomb County Health Department issued a public health advisory urging residents in Washington Township to conserve the use of household water through Friday by doing the following. Consider using paper plates to avoid washing dishes, avoid showering and using the dishwasher and/or washing machine, minimize flushing, and turn off the water to brush teeth. All residents in Washington and Macomb Townships are also urged to avoid direct contact with the middle branch of the Clinton River.
Normally between 5 and 9 p.m. is the high usage rate. Everyone comes home and the usage is up. By sending that alert, the normal rate actually drops.
For now, crews are busy keeping up with the sewage and hope to have a temporary fix in by morning, with a more permanent fix likely coming Friday. And again, they hope to have this fully fixed by Friday, and that is also when they hope to open Hayes Road between 25 and 26 Mile. In Macomb Township, I'm Brett Cast, 7 News Detroit.
Thank you so much, Brett. We want you to stay with 7 News Detroit as we continue to follow the sewer line break in Macomb Township. We will bring you the very latest information on air and, of course, online at WXYZ.com.